Yeah. Well, man, it was all a dream. Yeah. I'ma bring that up, cash back. I'ma spit that soul food like get it mine. Graduated from the I'ma bring that outcast back. I'ma spit that soul food like did it mob. Graduated from the dungeon with my family. Arrested development, got my mind strong. All I know is I had to get up, get out, get up and get out.
Man, shout out everybody, man.
Get up and get out.
Everybody, y'all. Everybody's an influence in the South. You know what I'm saying?
Get up and get
everybody,
out.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's
Get
crazy.
Up and get out.
Everybody's an influence, man.
Get up and get
Influence
out.
yourself, man. You already know what it is, man. One man.
CeeLo, crazy striking niggas in my college days. 4, 5, 6, double make your heart stop. 3 years, 5 months, 2 days. More like
That's an album, by the way.
Quit 3 times, died twice. I can only thank God for my life. One wrong turn, you might lose your life. Every day, people moving with a purpose. Hold on, it's worth it. Everybody got a purpose in life, even if they can't see it.
Well,
a couple bars from the hook, and I gotta say, I know this beat got tags, I'ma still do it. Cause when it came on, my soul went through it. I got a little crazy. CeeLo Green. I just know I had to look up to the sky every day and get up and get out. Get up and get out.
Man, it's crazy, man.
Get up and get out.
Every day is like a grind, man.
Get out.
You gotta get it, man. It's out here.
I'ma bring that outcast back. I'ma spit that soul food like good at my. Graduated from the dungeon with my family. Arrested development, got my mind strong. All I know is I had to get up, get out, get up and get out. Yeah, get up and get out.
It's a grind every day, man.
Wake up, the time is now.
I could do better though. You know what I'm
Get up
saying?
and get out.
We gon' see. We gon' put it out
Get
there.
out.
It was all a dream.
Get up
I'm telling
and
you.
get out.
Yeah.
Wake up, the time is now.